Strongly bullish FROG was trending yesterday. It had its second best day since early 2021, printed an intraday high of $62.90, and it was trending as people were discussing its recently disclosed earnings outcomes, and indeed also the upgrades and price target increases it got from analysts. They were also weighing the potential for further gains against profit taking opportunities. The bullish sentiment focused on the company's long-term growth potential in the DevOps and the software release management space, amongst other things. Yeah, let's see now. Let's see what we have in terms of volume. Okay, almost six times. It's almost seven times. Yeah, seven times its average volume. Yeah, high volatility expected in the future. Okay, let's see now. It was a big day for the stock. Yeah, underlying trend strongly bullish, and as a matter of fact, it started to. It's yeah. As a matter of fact, it was consolidating the expansion they had from early August. Started to consolidate that from middle of September or thereabout, and then towards last week or thereabout, uh, things took I mean, the uptrend resumed. The uptrend literally resumed. So how much that was two straight session of gains, two straight session of gains, was it? Yeah, two straight session of gains. Yes, that was what it was. Yeah, okay. And the extrapolation is even saying that higher prices will remain in place. He's actually saying that this trajectory will remain in place until Tuesday, the 11th. Then after that, it may begin to moderate, but still with an upward bias. The 40-day moving average is offering a support. Yeah, offering ample room for support. Yes, ample room for support just in case a deep pullback occurs. Just insisting that it may not drop below it may not drop below it. But we'll see how it goes. Projections are currently saying let's see what we have. Nothing currently in to the upside, but we may find some on the. Let's have a look at its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, projections are currently saying 62.20, 66.47. Okay, yeah, that's including this. Okay, 62.92, 66.62.90. What do we have here? Yeah, so that was tested. So it tested this intraday high. So this projection, it got tested yesterday. So you never know that the next one could be 66, 66.47. Okay, we could just have a look at its 1 minute chart. The algos may have projected high prices in the midst of all of that. Let's see, 60.16, 62.49. Okay, we don't have anything. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Let's see here. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. 60.03, 62.49. Let's see the 3 minute chart. Nothing here. Let's see here. 62.91. Let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. Yeah, 63.20. Okay. 66.65, 65.35, 63.26, 62.87, 62.50. Yeah, okay, yeah, we'll make do with what we've seen so far. So let's have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what it's saying. Yeah, okay. Here it's saying, it's saying that contraction will occur and going all the way towards the 18th of November. And just like in just as in the daily chart, it's saying that the 40 period moving average will serve as is going to extend its arm to make sure it catches any pullback, and it's ready for that uh, up till um, up till the 18th of November. Okay, so for now, contraction is expected, just as I was saying in the readout. There's a prospect, yeah, the prospect of pullback is there, but in any case, we'll see what's going to happen. I'm strongly bullish. So all of this, given what we have here now, it calls for a look at its options grid to see what could possibly happen. What could possibly happen? What could possibly happen? Two straight session of gains. What are the odds that well, you never know. It's yeah, we'll see. Let's see what we have on the grid here. Um yeah, let's see now. Let's take this intraday high. I think what did we see? The 62.90. We'll take that as a reference and see. You don't have to do this. You don't have to implement any of these because it's quite dicey. Okay, well, there's an opportunity here. The odds of it printing $80 between now and Friday. This the between now and Friday the between Monday the 10th and Friday the 14th is not very high. So if you're brave enough, this is not a recommendation that you should do so. This is not a recommendation at all. You could take the risk and sell this 80 call and then buy this 75 call. And then you keep $1.70 for every contract. And if they both turn out to expire out of the money, then you keep your requirement. Your requirement will be refunded, and then you keep £1. Well, sorry, $1.70 for every contract. Yeah. So yeah, that the stock was trending yesterday. So yeah, that's what's going on. So see what you make of FROG, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.